The waterfall name is Rani Duduma. Rani Duduma is the one of the natural beauty near Nandapur, a small village in Koraput district of Odisha state in India. This waterfall is one of the famous picnic spots in the region, untouched by tourists outside the district. In fact, Koraput district is called as the Switzerland of Odisha. The waterfall name is Rani Duduma. Duduma has two sub-waterfalls, one drop down in Andhra Pradesh and another in Odisha. The place name is Guttesar. Guttesar Cave is a cave scene dedicated to Shiva, one of the key god in India. It is a pilgrim site situated about 55 km away from Jaipur, Koraput district in the state of Odisha, India. It is a limestone cave and its main attraction is genetic. Shiva Linga is said to be increasing in size. It is believed that the cave was discovered by Rama and rediscovered in the region of Maharaja Bir Vikram Dev. 200 steps reach to Shiva temple. The dam name is Kolab Dam, located in Koraput district, Odisha, India. Kolab Dam is situated on Kolab River and there is a garden. Here so many rabbits are roaming. It's a nice place. The waterfall name is Punji Sil Waterfall. Punji Sil Waterfall is one of the most popular tourist destination in Koraput district. 30 km distance from Koraput town and 46 km from Jaipur. The Punjisil is covered with dense forest and is best for bathing in crystal water. Punjisil is the best place for weekend picnic as it is near to the city of the Koraput. It is an attractive place in Odisha